Here on the Constant Farm today, we're building a cattle trailer. Now, we got to looking around for cattle trailers, and this wasn't in our price range. Cheapest one we could find was like $2,000. Didn't look that good, rusty and whatnot. So we had this trailer laying around. Said, why not use that? One that got $160 of lumber. That's what we got so far. So this is the main structure. The basic of building this thing is that a lot of people do this with enclosed trailers, enclosed tool trailers. They'll build everything with a level everything, plumb everything, and what do you know? You strap the thing up to the car, everything's slanted. Well, you got to level the trailer first before you start building this. So that's what we did. That was the first step of building this cattle trailer. Then we just threw out the posts, plumbed them out, put some braces in, put some cross members across, hold the cattle on. It's pretty lightweight, looks pretty solid, but this stuff's pretty dried out. It's been laying out in the sun, hasn't twisted too bad, had stickers underneath it. So this is what we're doing today. Tomorrow, we're going to the auction. We're going to get cattle, 2 calves. They're looking around $1.10 a pound right now. So it is an investment getting cattle. I don't really see too good of a profit margin going out and buying cattle and raising them because they get sold at the auction for 50 cents at max. I mean, I think probably the average is like 46 cents a pound. So you're looking at a 1,200, 1,400 pound cattle, okay? And you're looking at like $600. So that's a $200 profit margin. You can't grow it out, you're losing money. So where the money's to be made in ranching and livestocking is in the breeding. See, here at the Constant Farm Initiative, though, we're using these cattle to mow. We're just getting our feet wet, getting our feet in the door of this whole farming initiative. We have no clue. But we got to start with something. And we're looking to get some lactating cattle, or we're trying to get a bull eventually. We got big plans, but right now we're starting with 2 calves. It's what we're going to haul them. So we're going to get underway here, strap the belt up, and keep working on this thing till she's done, because we got to get her done for tomorrow. All right. All right. So we're at the final stage of the build of the cattle trailer. So we came up. Might have went a little overboard, but I don't think so. We like happy cattle. So here we go. We added a little front wind blocker here. You zoom out a little bit, you can see that. Put that baby on there. Put some cross braces on. Okay. So right now we are going to throw a tarp over it. Now we're a 2-foot span. I'm going to put 1x2s down. It's furring strips across the tarp. Okay. And I think that should hold 60-mile-per-hour wind going down the highway. Now that is a little bit questionable in my mind. So we, send it. We're going to find out, I guess. But that's what we got. We're talking $160. $160 worth of material. Had this trailer laying around. Really, I see these trailers on the marketplace all the time. It's about a $500 trailer. Okay, so we were lucky enough just to have it on hand. But listen, I would have been spending $1,500, $2,000 on a cattle trailer. I'm only in $160. If you didn't even have a trailer, you might only be in $600 to $700. Now, I still think it's worthwhile checking around because you might be able to find a good one for that price. But I'm saying it's very unlikely. But you come across that stuff every now and then. So we're gonna finish this trailer up. We're gonna go get the cattle tomorrow. Henry the goose is looking great back there. I was a little concerned he was favoring a leg, but now he's up and moving around. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that. I thought the leg was broken within a day, but I don't know. I just went back there. He's walking around just fine. So maybe he's playing possum, but whatever you would call a goose doing that. So here we go. We're gonna get after it. We're gonna keep working here, and we're gonna put this roof on, put the 1x on, close everything up, maybe give it a test ride. Then tomorrow, 11 o'clock, the auction starts. We're not gonna be able to take video in there. Not really sure the exact reason why. I'm sure it's something to do with PETA. No video footage inside the auction house. So we will have video going up to the auction house. And when we buy those 2 cattle, because cattle like to be in pair, you don't want to have a single cow on your property. They're relational. They're relational creatures. So they like to be in pairs or groups. Something bigger than a single. So that's a big plan for tomorrow. Got a lot on the agenda. So also David hooked up a well pump over at Charlie's last night on the property where we were putting the cattle. So there's a couple difficulties, which we figured that plumbing line out to the overhang wasn't going to work out. So we got to replumb that, but right now we're running an organic RV garden hose, so no leaching occurs in the water. So we got that going, and yeah, we'll be ready for cattle. Get that stock tank filled up, and they'll be back there grazing away. They'll be happy. So, and then I'll show you into the little experiment we got going over in one of the quadrants at Charlie's pasture as well. We are actually doing something could be quite implementable for the small farming community. See how it works out. I haven't seen it done before. We were blessed to have some very, very world-class rich compost at our disposal. So I think you're going to be really excited about that. We'll jump into that tomorrow. And yeah, here we go. We're going to finish this right now, though.
Thank you for watching, subscribe, and like.